Namaste children, welcome to our English class of grade 3. In our today's session, we are going to see a magical poem. Now think and answer to my question. Name the creatures that will fly. Your answer will be birds and insects. Am I right children? But even bats can also fly. Bats are neither birds nor insect. They are mammals. Among these, our poem is about birds. Do you all like birds? Yes, of course, most of us like birds. Where do birds live, children? Birds live in the nest. Which is our national animal? Yes, it's peacock. The fact about peacock is that we don't see peacocks flying too often, but they can also fly covering a short distance. Have you ever seen birds sitting on wires? Yes, you would have seen birds sitting on wires. Do you think birds will talk with each other? Yes, they will talk with each other by chirping sound. But in our poem, birds are talking like humans. Yeah, the name of the poem is Bird Talk. This poem was written by Alan Fisher. I told you that birds are talking to each other. The two birds are Robin and Jay. Robin is a kind of bird with red colored feathers, and the bird with blue colored feathers is Jay. Robin and Jay are talking to each other about people. Shall we see what are they talking about? Are you all ready? Come on, let's sing. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. In the first stanza, the poet says that the two birds, Robin and Jay, were sitting in the garden and talking with each other. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Yes, children, while they were talking, they were discussing about the growth of the people from childhood to manhood. They also comments that people don't have feathers. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. In the third stanza, they were talking about the food habits of the people and wonder that they don't eat beetles and insects. They also says that they don't have wings and so they can't fly like birds. People can't enjoy like us by sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? In the last stanza, the birds think about all these and feels that people are so funny to lead such a life without feathers and wings, without eating beetles, and without sitting on wires. Shall we sing once again? Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way. I hope you all have understood this poem very well. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.